Today we're doing a tank seal repair kit, which comes with a new valve. My toilet was leaking. I have the main seal right here. It was leaking all over the ground. I did put some caulking in there for a little bit. It worked for a little while, but eventually it stopped working. And it was due to the main seal either not being installed properly or just eroding away. As you can see, like, it's not even all the way around. So it was either installed incorrectly or it dissolved over time and got flushed down the drain. As you can see, this gasket's pretty old. It's all old and cracked. About time for a change out. That's all the old hardware. You don't need to reuse any of it. This kit that I got comes with everything you need. It's a complete universal kit made in America. I suggest that. Do not buy the Chinese one. You will be replacing it within the first couple months due to inadequate materials. It comes with your pump, flap, new hardware with seals, new valve, new chain. One thing it doesn't come with is the handle, which the handle on this is perfectly fine. It does state that you have to not to use cleaners, so I dumped all the bleach content out, and it's probably because it degrades the seals. And for it to last, it's lifetime warranty for this product. You probably don't want to use cleaning agents. Just clean your toilet bowl, or you can, whatever you want. You'll just replace it eventually, a couple years later, probably. I don't know. Installing it was pretty simple. The directions are pretty straightforward. Once you install the main drain, you want to put your new gasket seal on. Should just fit right over. Slide it on. Goes right up against the surface of it. Kind of hard to do it while you're... You gotta get it just right. Get the snap in place. There we go. Should snap in place like that. It's shaped like your hex nut. Now the tricky part is getting this to settle correctly. If the last person put this on there if they did install it incorrectly, that's probably why it eventually leaked. You have to jiggle the tank around while you torque each side or tighten each side down. First it's going to move around while you do it. As you tighten it, it'll get more and more settled into this region here and provide a better seal. And you need to provide downward pressure on the top of the tank and wiggle it around as you independently torque each side. I'm not going to do that here because this is going to take a little bit, probably about 20 minutes to install that. I just want to show you all the hardware. It does come with extra hardware, which I thought was pretty cool, in case one of your nuts, bolts rusts over time, and or one of your seals gives out, you have an extra one. Once you install this, once you put this tank on the base, you're going to install a washer on the base side right here against the bottom base porcelain so it won't crack when you're tightening the nuts down. Don't forget this washer, because you will crack this base portion right here. And it's to make sure the nut doesn't actually try to go through that hole. All right. My toilet actually had spacers, which after tightening down. If it needs it, I'll put these back in. But I think if you do it properly, you won't need those spacers. We'll see. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I dried the inside of this out too before installing the hardware, just so it'll make a better seal. It comes with directions that are pretty explanatory. It actually has tons of adjustment that you can do for this for water conservation. On the underside of this flap, it's adjustable. You can adjust it to tank levels and preferred water depth level for conservation. That adjustment will be up to you, and you just follow the directions and it should be good. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a like. Tell other people if you want. Just make sure to turn the water off before you start doing it too. Otherwise you get water everywhere. I can take a picture of the finished product, and I'm going to test it out as well. I'm pretty confident it's going to work. All right. Thank you.